We were sent these felt bumpers. It's 400 pieces. It's in the beige, and it's going to come with all the different sizes in it to test out. And we're going to go ahead and put this to the test here. We've got some chairs that need felt pads underneath to help protect the floors. We've got some home decor we're going to use it on. And then we've got some drawers that we're going to set it on. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up, make sure what sizes we have here. This is a variety pack, so you're going to get a ton of use out of these. Now, these are our bar stool chairs in our kitchen, but what's different about these is the bases of them are not your average size or shape. So I'm going to go ahead and use 4 of these little ones. I want to keep the felt pad under the legs so that the dog hair or the dust doesn't end up sticking to it. If the felt pad is too large, it's going to have all that nastiness around it. So these are perfect because I can make them to where they're even. The chair is going to be flat on the floor, but yet it's not going to scrape along the edges. So these are fabulous for it. Home decor pieces. This is a gorgeous piece, but on a finished stained wood table, it doesn't need to be moved around and scratched. These little oval shapes are really fun. I haven't seen these in any of the other felt sets that I've used, but go ahead and space them out. You're going to want to put 4, but you're going to want to do them evenly around the product here, and I'll show you. That way it's going to still be level. You won't have to worry about it being wobbly, and you'll be able to slide it across the table and you won't have to worry about it scratching. So these are a bonus. I did like, out of all the felt pads I've used, these come up off that sheet really easy. I hate when the back of the felt pad actually like sticks to that sticker part and you have to sit there forever to try and get it off. These came off really nicely. You can also use it on drawers or cabinets to help reduce any slamming or loud noises when they close. These are a great find. We would recommend them.